Everyone, my name is Lipakshi. I'm a scholar of 8th standard. Today I want to tell you that how to overcome the fear of maths. Did you know that the maths anxiety is very serious problem? In fact, the term methophobia is coined to describe the feeling of the fear, anxiety and the tension about one's child to perform well in the maths. Always do what you are afraid to do, said the American philosopher Ralph Emerson. Take it positively. I'm not good at maths. I am stupid. These such thoughts can hurt the self-esteem and confidence. Face it squarely. Acceptance is a first step toward tackling the problem. Sit with your tutor and the guardian and discuss your problem. Repeatedly working on maths problem will help to improve your mathematical skills. Devote your extra time and efforts towards studies about a great change in both performance and attitude. The great notion is that the maths is not creative, based on activity based on learning, paper folding and dartboard ensures activity. Pair work and group work is an effective way to solve the maths problem. I hope on applying these steps in day-to-day life will diminish the fear of maths. Thank you. Have a nice day.